Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be guiding you through the process on how you can format an SD card on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So first, ensure that the SD card is connected to your phone via an adapter. And then if you don't know how to do that, then you can watch the video that I'll link in the description so that you can go through those steps. So once the SD card is connected to your phone, you want to now open the Files app, and in Files you should see the option USB storage. So this USB storage is your SD card, and you should see all the files that are currently on your SD card. So to format it, you want to tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Format. Alternatively, if you're using the cover screen, then the process could be slightly different. So again, you want to go to the My File app, and then from here scroll until you get to USB storage, and you want to tap on the three dots next to that storage. Next, tap on Format. Then bear in mind that everything will be erased from your SD card. So if you're absolutely sure that you want to format it, tap on that option and then wait for the process to complete itself. You'll notice it disconnecting and then reconnecting again to show that it's the USB storage or your SD card has been formatted successfully. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.